Hopefully he got me a new car. Hoping he got me a toy.
Okay, guys.
Hey.
Guys, this way. This way. Mom and Daddy found something.
I didn't find it. I just happened to look across.
What did they find?
Well, let's go in the pasture and find out.
Pasture?
Our soon-to-be yard. I don't know. Look and see. Hurry! Look over there.
Over there.
What?
By the tree.
You can. Londa ain't got no shoes. She's going.
Yeah, follow Londa.
She's stepping through good.
Or you can go around.
Oh, jeez. Londa, watch the mouth.
And it's heavy as hell. Dad, why did you say it couldn't work?
Londa, enough.
That's a trip, Londa's candy!